Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put an emoji on a channel name on Discord in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the settings icon next to the channel you want to rename. A channel settings modal opens showing all the options for that channel. Click into the channel name input field at the top of the settings panel. Click the small emoji icon inside the channel name field to open the emoji picker, which displays a full selection of emojis you can add. Select the emoji you want from the picker and it drops straight into the channel name field at your cursor position. Type the rest of your channel name after the emoji. For this example, I'm typing space test. Click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the modal and a save confirmation appears, showing your changes have been applied. Press ESC or click the Close button to exit the settings modal and you'll see your channel now displays with the emoji at the front of its name in the sidebar. Keep your channel name short after adding the emoji, so it stays readable in the sidebar on smaller screens. If you want to move the emoji to the end of the name instead, just click back into the channel name field, cut the emoji, and paste it after the text. You can change or remove the emoji anytime by opening the channel settings again and editing the name the same way. And that's how to add an emoji to a Discord channel name. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.